Hi all budding affiliate marketers, give me just a few minutes of your time and I will tell you about the fastest and simplest way to build amazing affiliate promotional funnels, generating high quality leads, converting visitors and finally create the revenue that you want using our proprietary web-based software. Now anyone, even a rank newbie, can build perfect affiliate funnels and landing pages fast and get more conversions and more sales, using what we believe is the simplest funnel builder ever made. There are a huge amount of challenges that need to be surmounted to build any successful business, and affiliate marketing is no different. Are you struggling to even get started? Does the journey to success look like a long way off? Is the amount of work needed to do just too much? Is it too much to learn? Do you suffer from information overload? Is putting together a profitable sales funnel just too complicated or simply just takes too long? Maybe you can't find great free products or bonuses to give away. You simply can't compete with those top marketers. Now, if you can relate to any of those problems, then you are being held back, but it's not your fault. To create a successful business, you need to overcome all the hurdles put in front of you. That takes a lot of work, a lot of time, loads of effort, long drawn out training, complicated setups, purchasing multiple tools and products and more. There is so much to do and so much to learn, it can sometimes seem daunting if not impossible. And unfortunately for many, it is impossible. Not everyone has the time and the money needed to do everything required to build a successful business or be a successful marketer. So if that's you, don't kick yourself. There is a solution, and that solution is Easy Pro Funnels version 2. A web-based app that removes every barrier from your route to success. A software solution that gives you everything you need to become a successful internet marketer. But more importantly, it enables you to do that today. Not in a week, not in a month, or even a year from now, but today. It is a true one-stop shop for all your affiliate marketing needs. So what's new in Easy Pro Funnels version 2? Well, you can create complete affiliate campaigns in minutes. We have templates to cover all your niches, simple custom editing, one-click selection of free offers and affiliate products, and that requires zero technical skills. You can build marketing pages for any digital product, affiliate, PLR, or even your own products in just a few clicks. It's ultra simple to build a promotional page, or a funnel, with a free offer and any paid offer. You can sell affiliate products from any of the networks like JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and any of them. You can promote your own products if you want, and even PLR products. Now, we make it even easier for you by giving you 10 done-for-you affiliate campaigns of high converting affiliate products. Now, we have carefully selected 10 top paying affiliate products and added high quality free offers and built entire promotional campaigns around them, each with custom landing pages and fully automated affiliate product promotion. Just one click and you can import your done-for-you campaigns into your account. Then one other click and you can upload them to the cloud and you're ready to go in seconds. Now, you won't need your own products if you haven't got them. You won't need a website. You won't need any technical skills, and you certainly won't need any long drawn out training or complicated setup, and you don't need a previous affiliate sales history. Easy Pro Funnels version 2 is exactly what it sounds like. It's easy to use and it gives you professional results. Inside Easy Pro Funnels version 2, you will get a single click selection of thousands of affiliate products. You can add and promote affiliate products from any of the networks like JVZoo, Warrior Plus or ClickBank. There are hundreds of free products for lead magnets and bonuses. You can use your own free product if you want, and the products that we get to promote are proven high converting products. You can create custom landing pages and funnels. It supports all autoresponders. In fact, you don't even need an autoresponder if you don't want to build a list, but of course we always recommend that you do. And your automated affiliate product promotion is built within these funnels. You can give away free offers that build your list. And of course the landing pages are what you see is what you get, so you can see exactly what's going on with your landing pages before you even create them and make them simple to edit. And of course we give you free cloud hosting, or you can download and host on your own website if you wish to keep yourself to yourself. We have one-click testing before it goes live, means you can see exactly what's going on. And of course we give you a pack of done-for-you affiliate campaigns, so you don't even have to create your own initially. You can actually just use the campaigns that we give you. But don't just take my word for it. Watch Easy Pro Funnels version 2 in action. You'll be amazed at just how fast and how easy you can create your own custom affiliate campaigns. Just scroll down this page and you'll see a video where I do exactly that. Now, we understand that everyone comes in at a different skill level and experience. So we've also included the following to ensure that everyone gets up to speed fast and ongoing training to keep you on track. Now, we demystify the entire affiliate marketing process with full affiliate marketing training videos, and we give you traffic training and guidance, including SEO. Building a list is important, but using it the right way is crucial, so we include email marketing guides and of course swipe files. Plus, new traffic training modules every single month for free will be added to your account to ensure that you can create a never-ending flow of traffic. Of course, as always, we offer a full money-back guarantee. We're so proud of Easy Pro Funnels version 2 and so confident that we'll absolutely love it that we're offering a 30-day money-back guarantee. Try out Easy Pro Funnels version 2 for a full 30 days. If you're not completely happy, then just contact us for a full refund. So you can get it now at zero risk. Now, if you want to finally jumpstart as an affiliate marketer, then Easy Pro Funnels is exactly what you've been waiting for. Easy Pro Funnels version 2 removes all the obstacles that are holding back your success. Don't miss this opportunity. Don't sit there spinning your wheels and bashing away at the same old problems day after day, when you can simply leap over all those showstoppers and be up and running literally in minutes. Imagine promoting thousands of affiliate products. Imagine using hundreds of free products to attract those subscribers and buyers. You could choose your own landing page templates and you can customize those with ease. You can mix and match the free offers and products in any way you want. You could do everything in literally a few clicks. All your pages will be mobile responsive and they will load at lightning speed. And finally, you can have a real affiliate system of your own. Have you not yet started affiliate marketing? Or perhaps you have tried, but you're just getting no results. Or you're just finding there's no time to do everything that's needed. Or you just haven't got the technical skills. Well, that is no problem. Easy Pro Funnels version 2 is simply the easiest and fastest way to create landing pages and promote affiliate products. Easy Pro Funnels version 2 comes with done-for-you affiliate campaign funnels. Easy Pro Funnels is perfect for newbies and more experienced marketers alike. Easy Pro Funnels version 2 does all the hard work for you. And you can get access to it now by clicking the button below. So grab it now while you can.